Hello everybody, everything here again. So today guys, I just wanted to talk about something very important. You guys know, you already know that I give you the real information, I give you the real T's and the C's. I want to use this information. Guys, if you are not doing these things, you can't stand in a professional trader. You need to be applying these things that I'm going to mention here. I want you guys to take note of this. When you are trading, it's you versus the market. Right? So you must always win in that fight. This is a fight, guys. This is a match. This is not a game, guys. It's a competition between you and the market. Behind the market, there are people who are able to spot good opportunities, good trades. They're able to manipulate our emotions. They are able to manipulate our mind, our mindset. So you must be very clever. You must be able to tackle what they are saying to you. You must be able to tackle what they are technically doing to you. Because now this is what they do. They are showing you something. You think you see it all, and then they switch it to another thing. Then in that way, you are losing. They are able to manipulate your mindset. Guys, the market makers, these guys who are controlling the market, they are there. They are not sleeping. They are there. They change shifts. You know, all these stock exchanges that you see out there, the New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, even the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, all of them, they are against you. So they want you to lose. They want you to lose. Even the brokers are not your friends. They are not your friends. You know, so I want you to take note of this. Everybody except yourself wants you to lose in the forex market. Everybody except yourself. Even your mentors, some of them, almost 80% of them, they want you to lose. Why? Because they know if you are losing, you will always come to them for help. And if you are doing that, they are getting that money from you. So almost everyone in the forex market, they want you to lose except yourself. You want to win. But all of them, they want you to lose. So I want us to talk about these things that you can apply. You can just apply them in yourself. You know, you can just apply them in your trading career, and then you will see you will become a consistent and a professional forex trader. Guys, let me give you the first one. I will dwell much into it. You will understand what I mean. The lot sizing should be correspondent to your account size. This is where you are able to eliminate being risky, being greedy. You know, so you want to eliminate that aspect in your trading career of being greedy, going into, you know, when you become disciplined in your mind, you understand that taking a trade is not necessarily about being right. It's all about applying the proper risk management. So if you apply proper risk management, even if you are wrong, you will understand that, no man, I'm okay. This trade is not going to kill me. It's not going to kill me. So you understand that risk management is number one. So you apply proper lot sizing. So it means that when your account is on $1,000, right, you know that I'm going to place 2 trades of 0.03, right, or 2 trades of 0.10. It's up to you. But what I'm saying is that you do not change. You don't wake up tomorrow and decide to change to 0.50, but you were using 0.10 yesterday. In that way, you have 5 times you have 5 times what increased your percentage risk, meaning you are no longer applying the rules that you said you're going to apply. So you understand what I mean. So lot sizing is very important to become a consistent forex trader. You can't win if you keep on changing your lot sizing. It must remain constant. Point number 2, this is one is very important. Percentage risk per trade. It means that you understand that per trade I'm losing this much compared to my account size. Let's say your account, I'm going to show you an example with an account size of $1,000, right? So you have an account of $1,000, you are losing a lot size 0.10, right? Now you accept it, or you've accepted that you are putting a stop loss maybe 50 pips away, right? Then you get like every time you get stopped out at what? At $50, right? Remember, your account is $1,000, meaning you are losing $50 every time you lose on a trade. Meaning you are losing how much? You are losing, I think it's 0.5% of your account, 0.5% on your account. You understand? So that's a half of 1%. So that is proper. That is okay. That is okay. You understand? So you should be able to have what? A proper risk percentage. That which you understand. So when we say a person has a proper risk percentage, what do we mean? We mean that whenever you lose this amount, you are not gonna commit suicide. You are not going to quit trading just because you lost on that one trade. But imagine if one trade is able to take away your whole balance, like $1,000 US on one trade. So do you see that that is not proper risk management? Okay. Now, number two, discipline. What does discipline mean? What does discipline mean? Discipline, it means one thing. It means you are able to stick to your. Actually, that is not important. You guys are important. So let me finish what I'm doing. I'm gonna attend them. So now, guys, when you are disciplined, it means you are able to stick to your own rules. You are able to stick to your own rules. Simple, it's clear. So basically, every trader must have rules, right? You must have rules written on a journal, written on your wall, something like that. So when you have the rules, you are following the rules each and every time. So being disciplined is being able to follow rules. When we say that we are disciplining our children, we are disciplining our brothers, our little brothers and little sisters, it means we want to put them under the rules. We want them to follow the rules. So basically that's that. You need to apply discipline upon your trading career. So you need to know what you need to be doing. So you do the exact thing that you said you are going to do in your journal or in your planning. Just like that. Now, always log profits and use take profits. Now this one is very, very important, guys. When you have the trades open, you must be able to trail your stop loss into profit. This one is very, very important, guys. It falls under risk management. You are able to take a take profit, you push it inside profit, right? I mean your stop loss. You are able to push a stop loss inside take profit, and also put a take profit above where you believe the market will reach, the point where you believe the market will reach. So you put a take profit there. Perfect. Now, let's talk about profits accumulation versus wanting to get rich fast. Let me explain what I mean. Now, we have traders who believe once they get the trade, you find that their trade is correct. Now they are in profit. What they start doing, they get this emotional marble jumping. They get very excited. I'm gonna be rich. I'm rich. Now they go in and increase lot size. Now you find that one candlestick, it shifts backward 5 pips. They are out because they've increased lot sizing. But overall, they were correct. Now after that 5 pip, it goes back to their direction, but they are already out. So you see, you must get rich with a proper way, which is called profit accumulation. Forget about getting rich very quickly. You must get rich with profit accumulation. Meaning, today you accept that I've made $250. You close it. You come back tomorrow, make $250. It won't be exactly 250. It can be 230. You close. Day after, you come in. You make a loss. It's fine. You close. The day after that, you come back again, you make profit, you close. So that is profit accumulation. You cannot get rich with just one trade or one opportunity. You can't. This is a business. This is not a gambling. This is not casino. This is not a lotto. This is the real business of the forex. So the goal is to survive long term and make consistent profits. The goal is to survive long term and to make consistent profit. Now, how do you do that? You do that, like I said before, by having a plan, applying the plan, be disciplined. Just know that this is a business. I'm gonna wake up every day. I'm gonna tackle. I'm gonna go in and all in. I'm gonna go and do this thing. I'm gonna go there and do everything that I said I'm going to do according to my plan. I'm going to apply proper risk management. I'm going to use the same lot size every day. I'm going to use the number of trades every day. I'm going to analyze this pen. You can't be trading everything. You must have a bucket with different types of fruits inside, but have at least few assets. Ne? In that way, you know that being disciplined will come in a proper, structured way. So, okay, let's go about this one. After a week or more, this one is the one that I use, right? So after a week or 2 weeks, I make a withdrawal. After a week or 2 weeks, I make a withdrawal. This withdrawal, it's only 25% of all my profits that I've made. 25% of all my profit. The rest is just reinvestment. It's going back into to the market to boost my account, so my account can grow. Just like that. You can do it. Depends. So some other people, they don't want to withdraw. They just want to grow an account to a bigger amount. In that way, they become rich and such. Now, let me talk about something very, very important. Guys, when you want to be a consistent and a profitable forex trader, you must never change your strategy for any reason. Stick to your strategy. You can improve on your strategy, but do not change, because when you change, you are starting from the beginning. Okay, there are several reasons where you can change your strategy, but in this case, when you trust your strategy, when you know it's working, it hasn't worked for you, but you know it works, stick to it. Dwell much into it. Learn about it. Go into it. Research about it. So that you ask people, ask around. So that you keep yourself on that main strategy. Because if you change, it means that you are starting afresh. You are starting from the bottom. You are starting from the beginning. So, and there is a possibility that you will change even in the future to another strategy. We don't want that situation. We want you to stick to one thing, do that thing, and master that thing. Become a master. So that's one thing I can advise you guys to: never change your strategy. Don't go around changing strategies. Everyone, even if you can check right now, you'll find that people think they're using different strategies, but if they are all making profit, it means they are using one strategy. So everyone is making profits, but we are saying we're using different strategies. How the hell? That is not possible. It means we're all applying the same thing. So it's the same strategy. So all these lines and these indicators you all see everywhere, they are useless if you don't understand the price action. If you don't understand the price movement, the main price movement, the candlesticks, the structure of the candlesticks that you see on the market. That is the most powerful strategy you can ever learn. How to understand how it moves, what formation is forming, what is it that is creating here, what do I see when it sells, what do I see when it buys, how does it trend, how is an uptrend, how is a downtrend, how is a consolidation, all those kind of things. So you need to master those things. So thank you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of these kind of videos. Subscribe, click the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell just next to the subscribe button. I really, really appreciate your presence in this channel. It means a lot to me, because I know that you are also getting something from this channel. Take care.